Hi, boys and girls. For our fun activity today, you're going to need one piece of paper. So it doesn't matter if it's a piece of construction paper or you can use your math paper from today. All right, we're going to make a paper airplane, all right, just like we read about in our story. So the first thing you'll want to do is you'll want to fold your paper hamburger style, or I mean hot dog style, the thin way, hot dog style. All right, and you'll want to fold that as nice as you can. All right, so you'll want yours to look like this when you're done doing that first step of folding it, okay? And then the next step would be for you to fold down here like a triangle. So you're folding it inward on both sides, all right? So you'll fold it down like that on both sides. All right. And then the next thing you'll do is you will fold this down here like this, okay? All right, so yours should look like this so far. All righty. And then the next thing you'll do is you'll want to fold this piece down to here on both sides, okay? All right, so your paper airplane should look like this so far. All right, and then the last thing you'll do is you'll fold down these little corners on both sides. All right, and usually what I do is I like to put a little bit of glue on the inside so that my paper airplane stays just how I want it to, okay? So I'll put a little bit of glue or a little tape in here, and then a little glue or a little tape in here so that my airplane stays like this. Awesome job, boys and girls. You did so great. I will see you tomorrow, okay? Have a great rest of your day. Bye.